When it comes to hair care, we all want to have lovely, shiny, healthy looking hair. And we have the best product here at L'Oreal, the Elvive Serum Hair Oil. So sometimes I've found grey hair can look a little bit dull, and I found that this is the perfect product to help combat that. These oils are made with a combination of different flower oils, so they smell amazing. They have a gorgeous fragrance. But I love them because they're multitaskers. So when you wear your hair a few different ways, like I do, I wear it curly and I also blow dry it smooth. This product is fantastic for putting on just before you blow dry. It really helps protect your hair from the heat as well, gives you the lengths a beautiful shine and helps nourish the hair at the same time. So then I finish off with just a couple of drops. So if there are any frizzies or flyaways, just a tiny bit, you don't need much when you're finishing off. It's perfect for getting that really smooth, sleek look. Then if you want to wear your hair curly, or if you're someone that has curly hair and you love that wash and wear curly look, just work it through with your fingers to coat each length or curl in your hair, and then just let it air dry and you get the most beautiful, defined, shiny curls. So yeah, it's a true multitasker, and I think everybody needs to have one of these.